Are you sick of just letting your money sit in the savings account and earn little interest? Want to learn how to make your first $1,000 work for you and help you reach your financial goals? Investing can be a powerful way to build wealth, but taking the first step can be scary, especially if you don't know where to start. You don't have to be a financial expert or have a lot of money to start investing, which is good news. You can start investing with as little as $1,000 and a number of ways that can give you a big return on your money. With the right plan and some knowledge, you can turn a small amount of money into a constant cash flow. Are you ready to elevate your financial knowledge and join the elite? Then hit that subscribe button, and let's conquer the world of finance together. Welcome to Elite Finance. Now we're going to discuss how to invest your first $1,000 and make money fast. Let's get started. 1. Play the stock market. Day trading is not for people who are easily scared. It takes guts and a strong will. It helps to know how the different market forces work. A stock advisor would not tell a new investor to do this. But if you learn how to do it well and quickly, you can make a lot of real money in just a few hours with a small amount of money you put in. When you play the stock market, there are also ways to spread your risks. Whether you play the stock market as a whole or just trade penny stocks, make sure you set stop-loss limits to reduce the chance of big drops. Now, if you're an experienced trader, you probably know that market makers move stocks to play on our greed or fear of failing. And they will often drive the price of a single stock down to a certain level to make people more afraid and put more money in their own pockets. 2. Invest in a money-making course. Putting money into yourself is one of the best things you can do. Even if you can't put a number on the return on investment, there's no better way to spend your money. Spend money on yourself. Spend money on your schooling, learn and change. Grow. Find out what you're really interested in. There are a lot of courses on how to make money on the internet. Choosing the right online course for you is the hard part. From ebooks to affiliate marketing, SEO, and more, there are a lot of ways to make money online. There may be a lot of gurus for making money on social media, but not every course is the same. Spend some time doing your homework and researching to find the right one. 3. Trade commodities. When commodities like gold and silver are trading at the low end of their 5-year range, it's a rare chance to make money. Fibonacci Queen's Carolyn Borden says, "Because silver is a good way to protect against inflation, I have long-term support and time in the silver markets." Also, commodities like silver are assets that can be seen and touched. The price of goods is set by the basic rules of economics. As supply goes down, demand goes up, and prices go up. Prices go up or down a lot when there is a problem in the supply chain. For example, a scare about the health of livestock can have a big effect on prices as scarcity takes over. But livestock and meat aren't the only kind of goods. Other types of commodities are metals, energy, and crops. You can use an exchange, like the London Metal Exchange or the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, among many others, to make an investment. Most of the time, when you invest in commodities, you do so through futures contracts. This is basically an agreement to buy a certain amount at a certain price at some point in the future. These are leveraged contracts, which means that there is a big upside and a big downside, so be careful. 4. Trade cryptocurrencies. The use of cryptocurrencies is growing. Even though it might seem risky to trade them, hedging your bets here could limit some of the damage from a bad trade. There are also a lot of places to trade cryptocurrencies. But before we jump in, you should learn more about it. Use sites like Udemy, Kajabi, or Teachable to find courses. And learn how to trade things like Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, and others in a complicated way. Even though there are more than 3,000 cryptocurrencies, only a few really matter. Find an exchange, learn how it works, look for long-term moving averages that have broken out, and start trading. For the actual trades, you can use exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, Sex.io, and many others. 5. Use peer-to-peer lending. You can make money if you put money into a peer-to-peer lending network. Which platform do you use to borrow money? There are many to choose from now, but Lending Club, Peerform, and Prosper are among the most popular. What's going on? Peer-to-peer lending platforms let you give small amounts of money to businesses or people and get paid back with interest. You get more money than if you put it in a savings account. and your investment risk is lower because algorithms do most of the hard work. Once you found the offer, you can learn more about it and decide whether or not to take it. You'll get a risk assessment based on things like your job and credit history, and you can decide whether or not to invest based on a variety of well-thought-out data. 6. Trade options. Trade small and trade often, says Tom Sosnoff at Tastyworks about a good way to invest. What kind of trade should you make? There are many vehicles, like stocks and FREX. When it comes to investing in options, the best time to buy is about 15 days before a company's earnings report. Which should you get? The phone rings. The day before the company reports its earnings is the best time to sell those money calls. Because there is so much excitement and anticipation around earnings, the price usually goes up, making you a consistent winner. But don't hold on until you get paid. If you're not an experienced investor, you don't want to take that chance. 7. Flip real estate contracts. Real estate might seem like a long-term way to make money, but it's not. You can use as little as $500 to $1,000 to invest in real estate contracts and flip them to make money quickly. How? Start by learning how the market works by using a system like Kent Clothier's REWW. It will then give you the information and tools you need to find empty homes, sellers in trouble, and cash buyers. Most people think that the best way to make money in real estate is to flip traditional homes and do the repairs yourself. However, the fastest way to make money in real estate is to flip the contract itself. It's called arbitrage. Find the sellers who are motivated and the buyers who have cash, bring them together, and do a good job of brokering the deal. It might seem strange at first, but once you get the hang of it, you can use this one strategy to become a mini mogul in the real estate business. It works, and some of the best real estate investors in the world talk about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. And remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing with Elite Finance.